All right, here we go, y'all. This is our resort here at Lanai, Four Seasons. I'm kidding, it's not. We can't afford that. We are just traveling here on a catamaran on this private beach so we can get a taste of the good life where these people stay. High-end luxury celebrities probably don't have a love affair with firewood, side hustle like I did. Probably not. Anyway, here we go. Beautiful over here. Lots of little tide pools. Get a little snorkeling out there. Lots of little tide pools here at Lanai. Tiny little fish. Let's see the little fish. It's good times here at Lanai, Four Seasons Resort, the home of the rich and famous. Not us. We're the poor people. Keep going over there. That's where we like to enjoy a taste of the rich and famous lifestyle. So beautiful. This is my catamaran that I do like to charter to other people sometimes. It's called the Trilogy 7. I have 8 total, but this one's my 7th. And fits about 50 people. That's about how many guests I allow on my boat.
Mom, what are you getting? I'm gonna get a sunscreen. Did you get
And here's Trip. What do you think, Trip? What do you think? Yeah, a little snorkeling action, you know, we'll just viewing this of our beautiful catamaran boat here. Got our deckhands doing what they need to do to get my boat ready. And then we got Katie, Caroline, Raymer.
If you post that, cut that out.
And there's Mama Bear. I mean, look at this beautiful canopy, y'all. Look at this. This is what every beach needs. This beautiful tree like this with these beautiful pink flowers. Come on. And that tree over there, are you serious? That's what every beach needs. Maui does it right. Right, Katie? All right. Good talk. Good talk. All right. We are officially in the vomit zone of the sea. Here he is. It's my main man, Justin. Oh my good Lord. Hey, here we go. All right. Let's try and focus here. Let's try and focus. Y'all kind of remember the pirate ship at your local fair. That's kind of how this feels. Up and down, back and forth. Trying to hang in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is for you, Christopher Cross. Sailing takes me away. Kids are hunkered behind the back of the pilot up here. Hey babe, just want to see what's going on up there. She's hanging out with El Capitano up there. Not us back here. We just didn't want to get wet. Look at this. Look at this. excited. Had a long day of snorkeling. Long day of snorkeling, ice cream, a little teriyaki chicken with noodles, and
I'm kidding. I got some.
that's about it. It's about a 2-hour boat ride there, and then a 2-hour boat ride back.